What's going on, guys? Putting a 3-in-1 transducer on my C Pro 248. Searched everywhere on YouTube, couldn't find anything. So right now, transducer is on. Precision sonar jack plate bracket is on. I've just ran it up right here. I plan on getting a splitter, but I just cut a hole. It is ran inside. I already have ran the snake, so I'll get up there and show you guys where it's at. Give me a sec. So here is the back end of this snake. Cable will run, hopefully I can get it, but it's from the plastic tube back there. It just drops. So I will be taping it to the snake. Snake runs down through the bottom of the seat. I come over here. Still got the tarp on. We've been fighting thunderstorms left and right. Snake will run through this tube all the way up. So to run the snake, I actually bent it and ran it this tube first and then backtracked to the back. So that tube will bring you into the helm. Cut the zip tie to this rubber boot, all that electrical cables. Pull it all up, and then from there you'll just hook it to the back of whichever fish finder, Simrad, Garmin, whatever you guys have. So got the end. I'm just going to pull the slack out first, that way it's all in here. Get it taped up, pull it on through. Should be as easy as that, but we'll see. Make sure, leave you guys some room. You can always push it in. When this is all complete, this will actually sit towards the bottom. So let's get this all taped up and get it ran. So, little snag on that pipe where the connector reach in here, just kind of help it along the way. Give it some slack here and there. It's better obviously if you have two people, but I'm doing it by myself. Looks like I used 9 feet. Came right up. All I gotta do now, connect it and go fishing this weekend. One thing I wanted to add, when you guys are taping to a snake or anything like that, most know, but if not, leave your tag in, twist it a couple times, pinch it, so that way when you want to undo all this, you don't have to worry about cutting or anything. It'll just easily find the end, peel it all off. It's getting dark on me, so, but don't be afraid to use zip ties. Run this all through here, back down, back through the hole in the back. Just have the excess just tied right here, and it runs up. This is what it looks like coming up. I went on the inside, thought it looked a little cleaner. Hydraulic lines back through. Hopefully this install helps anybody else out there looking to put a transducer, I guess, in a center console. It looks like it's about to thunderstorm again. I'm gonna get all this covered up, sprayed off, all the footprints. If it did help, hit that like button for me, hit the subscribe button for me. Appreciate it.